Well, a very rainy day in Nuneaton in Warwickshire. But what's better to brighten the mood than a beautiful Cosmic Grey EP3 for a map? So we're going to make some noise. It's got some mods. It's got what the customer described as a Chintanium 4:1 manifold and custom exhaust system. And also we've got ourselves an AEM intake. So let's do a stock power run and see how we get on. Okay, so the stock power run is done and we have ourselves 214 brake horsepower, which isn't a bad start considering that the modifications aren't all singing or dancing. So we'll go from here now, we'll do an ECU exchange and then we'll get tuned in and see how we get on.
Well,
you're still cold, mate.
I am a bit cold, if I'm honest.
You're slightly less layers than yesterday, though. You only got gloves on today.
Yeah, but I've got
and your hoodie and stuff on, but you've not got your coat on.
I've not got my coat on that makes me look like the wet bandits with the fingerless gloves. You know who the wet bandits are,
yeah, from Home Alone. Yeah.
When he gets electrocuted.
Yeah, that was like me when we moved in this unit.
What's Jedi think he's doing?
Well, he seems to be rubbing his nipples.
Why is it?
And suggesting that he might have breasts pushing them together.
Let's
trying to distract us from what we're doing.
Continue with what we're doing. So, Cosmic Grey EP3 on a nice set of gold alloys. It made good power, I think, at 227 brake horsepower.
Yeah, I think it did. I think it's got very basic mods on it. We've got an AM induction kit. We've got a 4:1 decap manifold. We've got a custom 2.5-inch exhaust coupled with a 3-inch downturned tip back box on it.
Downturned tip.
Yeah, downturned tip. Yeah, so I don't think the exhaust was particularly the best mods in the world. I don't think the induction kit is the best mods in the world, but I think generally it's performed well overall.
Performed well, yeah.
We've tabletop on power and then dropped off very slightly at the top end. So it made 227 around about the 7.5 mark. I'm looking at roughly from here, I would say.
That's right. Okay.
Around 7,500. And then obviously we're tailing off from their top end. That'll be exhaust flow there, or possibly induction kit flow. I think there would have been more in it. Probably would have carried on making it up to around the 230 mark right to the end.
Yeah.
But we tailed off a little bit from about 7.5. But that's solely down to mods. We can only map on what we've been given.
Each car on its own merit.
I think we made 40 in the mid-range.
We did make 40 brake horsepower in the mid-range.
Yeah, 40 in the mid-range. So we
Not to be sniffed at.
made good gains, and overall a much better graph.
Yeah, yeah. Done on a ECU exchange. So as you've seen, we did the stock run, and then we're about to show you the graph.
Yeah, should we have a look at the graph?
Let's have a look at the graph.
Well, as we always say, red line is as she came in and blue line is as she leaves. There's that 40 brake horsepower gain in the mid-range that we like. As you can see, Rich said about it tabletop it off just here. Look at my dirty finger. But yeah, that's flow. So we finish on 227 brake horsepower, which is 199 at the wheels. And there we go. Code word Cosmic Grey, because I love a Cosmic Grey EP3. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And we'll see you on the next one. Won't we, Uncle Keith?
We will indeed.
We will indeed.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.